Hey everyone, Peter McKinnon here. Love taking photos? Ever thought about making money from it? Turns out you totally can. Photography isn't just a hobby, it can be a legit side hustle or even a full-time gig. Whether you're just starting out or you've been snapping pics for a while, there are tons of ways to turn your passion into profit. Let's dive into some awesome tips and tricks to get you started. Freelancing is like being your own boss in the photography world. You have the freedom to carve your own path and make decisions that align with your vision and goals. You find clients, set your rates, and choose the projects you want to work on. Sounds pretty sweet, right? You can shoot portraits, weddings, products, and even delve into niche markets like pet photography or food photography, real estate, events, and commercial shoots. The possibilities are endless. Each type of photography offers its own unique challenges and rewards. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to find gigs. These platforms connect you with clients from all over the world, giving you the opportunity to work on diverse projects and build a versatile portfolio. Or you can spread the word on social media. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook are powerful tools for showcasing your work and attracting potential clients. Regularly posting your best shots and engaging with your audience can significantly boost your visibility. Remember, good communication and professionalism are key to building a solid reputation as a freelancer. Responding promptly to inquiries, being clear about your services, and following up professionally can make a huge difference. One of my first paid gigs was shooting a friend's family photos. It was a simple job, but it taught me invaluable lessons. I was nervous at first, but it turned out to be a blast. The experience taught me so much about working with clients, finding the right light, and capturing those genuine moments. Setting up the lighting correctly can make or break a photo. It's not just about having the right equipment, but also about understanding how light interacts with your subjects. Capturing those genuine moments requires patience and a keen eye. It's about waiting for the right moment and being ready to click the shutter at just the right time. Don't be afraid to start small. Every shoot is a chance to learn and grow. Each project, no matter how big or small, adds to your experience and helps you refine your skills. Embrace every opportunity and keep pushing your creative boundaries. Ever heard of stock photography? It's basically selling your photos online for others to use. Websites, blogs, and even big companies need high-quality images, and that's where you come in. Think stunning landscapes, mouth-watering food shots, or even simple objects against a clean background. Platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock are popular choices for selling your work. The best part? You can earn passive income from photos you've already taken. I remember when I first started uploading my photos to stock websites. I didn't expect much, but to my surprise, people actually started buying them. It was such a cool feeling to see my work being used by others. Don't underestimate the power of everyday moments. They can be just as valuable as those epic shots. Section 4. Event, photography, lights, camera, action. If you thrive in fast-paced environments and love capturing the energy of a crowd, event photography might be your jam. It's all about being in the right place at the right time and having the skills to capture those fleeting moments that tell a story. Weddings, concerts, conferences, and parties are just a few examples. Each event has its own unique vibe and challenges, making every shoot a new adventure. From the emotional highs of a wedding to the electric atmosphere of a concert, there's never a dull moment. You'll need to be quick on your feet, have an eye for those special moments, and be comfortable working under pressure. The ability to anticipate and react swiftly is crucial. It's not just about taking pictures, it's about capturing the essence of the event. Building relationships with event planners and venues can lead to consistent gigs. Networking is key in this industry. The more connections you make, the more opportunities you'll have to showcase your talent and secure future work. I'll never forget shooting my first concert. The anticipation, the rush of adrenaline, and the sheer excitement of being part of something so vibrant and alive. The music was loud, the lights were flashing, and the energy was through the roof. It was a sensory overload in the best possible way, and I was there to capture it all. It was challenging, but exhilarating. The satisfaction of knowing you've captured those perfect moments is unmatched. It's a feeling that keeps you coming back for more. Being in the middle of the action and capturing those raw emotions was an incredible experience. It's about more than just photos. It's about preserving memories and telling stories through your lens. If you're an adrenaline junkie who loves music or live events, this could be your calling. The thrill of the chase, the joy of capturing the perfect shot, and the satisfaction of seeing your work appreciated by others make it all worthwhile. Section 5. Building your portfolio. Showcasing your best shots. Think of your portfolio as your photography resume. It's the first impression you make on potential clients, so it needs to be strong and impactful. It's a collection of your best work that shows potential clients what you're capable of. This is your chance to shine and demonstrate your unique style and technical skills. Choose a variety of shots that highlight your skills and style. Include different genres and techniques to show your versatility. Whether it's portraits, landscapes, or action shots, make sure each photo tells a story. Keep it updated with your latest and greatest images. As you grow and improve, your portfolio should reflect that evolution. Regularly review and refresh your collection to ensure it represents your current abilities. A strong portfolio is crucial for landing gigs and attracting clients. It's not just about having good photos, it's about presenting them in a way that captivates and convinces. When I first started out, I didn't have a fancy website or anything. I simply created a folder on my computer and shared it with potential clients. It was simple, but it worked. I simply created a folder on my computer with my best photos and shared it with potential clients. This method is straightforward and effective, especially when you're just starting out and resources are limited. As I gained more experience, I invested in a website to showcase my work in a more professional way. A well-designed website can make a huge difference in how your work is perceived. Remember, your portfolio is a work in progress. Keep refining it as you grow as a photographer. Each new project is an opportunity to add fresh, exciting content. Never stop improving and updating your portfolio to keep it relevant and impressive. Section 6. Social media, your free marketing platform. In today's digital age, social media is your best friend. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are amazing tools for showcasing your work, connecting with potential clients, and building a community. Post regularly, engage with your followers, and use relevant hashtags. Don't be afraid to show your personality and share your photography journey. I've met so many incredible people and landed some awesome gigs through social media. It's all about putting yourself out there, being authentic, and letting your work speak for itself. Don't underestimate the power of a well-crafted post or a funny behind-the-scenes story. It could be the thing that catches someone's eye. Section 7. Conclusion. Ready, set, shoot. So there you have it. A glimpse into the exciting world of making money with photography. Whether you're drawn to the freedom of freelancing, the passive income of stock photography, or the thrill of event photography, there's a path for you. Remember, the most important thing is to just start shooting. The more you practice, the better you'll become. So grab your camera, get creative, and who knows, you might just turn your passion into a profitable career.